Do you want to learn more about making money through AI art? Well, be sure to watch the video till the very end. And in this tutorial, I will show you the three specific websites where you can actually learn how to make money from $200 up to $2,500 a day using an AI art tool, but not a Midjourney AI, but a better tool. So let's get started. First, we will take a look at the three websites that we're talking about where you can actually earn more money. So the first one right here is designcrowd.com/contest. A design contest is a design project where a customer posts a design brief describing their needs, whether that be for a logo, t-shirt, flyer, web design, or other graphic design job, and all designers are able to submit their designs. Once a customer posts a design contest, multiple designers will begin submitting their design concepts to this project. Customers are then able to select their favorite design as the winner, in which case they will receive all the required design files. So for example, as you can see on your screen, someone is looking for a logo for a website about archery. Then at the bottom, you'll find it has 4 designers and 10 design has been submitted on this contest, and the price is $110 if you win this contest right here. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find another customer's post where they are looking for t-shirt designer for their down apparel. Right here, as you can see, it has 53 designers already, 131 designs, and if you win this one, you can get 110 US dollars. Then you can actually check out some of the logo contests. You can go right here on categories and click this drop down menu right here and just find this logo. And if we search this one, you'll find some logo design contest. So for example, if we scroll down, you'll find logo for business, $110. Now right here, looking for a logo designer on a YouTube channel. So has a 3 designers and 8 designs as already submitted on this contest. Now if you scroll down, you can see right here logo contest for AI revenue growth engine. So you can find right here all the customer posts about a design contest on a logo, t-shirt, flyer, web design. So you can begin submitting your own design to win and get more money. So you just have to make a logo design using a AI art tool, not just a Midjourney AI, but a free AI art tool that you can use. So later I will tell you what AI art tool it was. Now we will go right here on the second website where we can earn more money. So this is spoonflower.com slash design challenges. So here, Spoonflower's weekly design challenges encourage creativity by inviting community to submit designs around a theme and vote on favorites to win weekly prizes. So as you can see right here is win prizes and earn commissions. So you can join right here and have a chance to win these prizes. So first prize right here is $200, and the second place gets $100. The third one is $50. So the more designs you submit, the more chances to win those prizes right here on spoonflower.com. Now let's talk about the third website where you can actually earn more money. So this is 99designs.com/contest, and same as the Design Crowd website and on Spoonflower, you can submit your design right here and you can win more money. So for example, here on LFG Media Group, digital marketing company needs super creative logo and standout. So as you can see, it has 202 designs. Then the prize money is $299. So that's a big money right here. So if we want to scroll it down, you'll find another one. So here on Mountain View Capital Partners, simple modern logo that appeals to business professionals. So that's also $299 right here if you win with your logo design right here. So you can submit more designs right here or logo design, graphic design, so you can get more chances to win more money right here on this 99designs.com. So using an AI art tool, you can create a logo design that you can submit right here on 99 Design. Now, if you go right here on the categories, you will find some of the tasks that are available right now. For example, this one, you can create a logo. So it has one design right here. So here you can share your logo design. So for example, this one, medical consultants in modern site design. So if you can make a web design, you can get more money right here. So you can send or submit all of your logo design right here on 99designs.com. So with these three specific websites that I show you right now will help you to earn more money, about $2,500 a day, using an AI art tool. So what is the AI art tool that I was talking about? Well, this is canva.com. So here on canva.com, you can actually create your logo or design using the text to image on these apps. Now, if you click these apps right here, you will find that text to image features on your Canva. So this is new feature. So you can try to use this one to create your logo or any graphic design that you can submit on the design contests. Now you can just click this one, and to confirm your action, you just click this use in new design. And then right here, you can describe the image on this box at the top left corner. So for example, I want to type right here, birds taking flight. Then once you've done, you can click on enter. So for example, as you can see, there's an image right here that I can actually use that to the logo. But then if you don't want the background, you just go right here on edit photo, and you can just edit the background of this sample design. Now once you've done creating a logo or design logo right here, just click this edit photo to remove the background. Or if you want to regenerate again a photo or a logo, you just click this create again button right here, and you can choose what photo you want to add up on your design. So that's it. That's how you basically making money from $200 to $2,500 a day using this AI art tool with the Canva, which has the text to image feature right here. So you can create a logo design that you can actually submit on the three specific website where you can win more prizes or earn more money. So that's how you basically do that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.